We are standing right now in our brand new production facility for fuse cutout in Lachine, Montreal. We added 17 square feet of new production to answer the fast-growing demand. We added as well some warehouse space to be able to accommodate any emergency demand that might happen in that fast-growing grid and the climatic challenges that the grid is facing right now. To answer the global demand and the technical requirements of the global grid, we have developed and have added some critical products such as the VRUP S, which we are now producing here in our new facility in Montreal. We are also using our new expanded medium voltage circuit breaker factory to add some critical test equipment to be able to develop faster innovations for the fast-growing demand of the market. Now that we have moved our fuse cutout production in our new factory, we are able to double the production of our core products, the medium voltage circuit breakers, such as the CO7 just behind me, that is using dry air instead of SF6, as the world is trying to get rid of nocive gas throughout protection solution.